These repairs were made by licensed and certified plumbers. This unit is on a fire suppression system. Make sure, if it is, that you have your fire panel called out so that your tamper switches set off an alarm. Before you take off the top plate, make sure that your valves are holding by opening up the test ports and relieving all the pressure and making sure that the water stops. Top off, you can see here that the water is pretty bad. This is on an old building and that has ductile iron coming in, which tends to get a lot of crud built up. The 3000 series is dual check, so it doesn't have relief on the bottom, so you're going to have to clear out the water somehow. I use a sponge to just slowly soak it up and put it into a bucket. Water removed, time to remove the check. See here, I have a special tool to do that. Luckily, this wasn't hard to remove. There are some other ones which I'm about to show you that are very hard to remove, and you can spend some time trying to get them out. I wasn't so lucky with this check. You can see it took a lot more force. A lot of times I'll just have to get pressure on it, like you see, pull as hard as I can to gradually getting more force until it goes. You can see the buildup on the check there, which is probably why it wasn't a pass. As I got more of the water cleared out, I could see that there are large chunks of green here. And that's what I knew was causing the foul on the check. What I'm doing here is just making sure that the threads are all clear for green. Ready to put the check back in, there's an O-ring on the inside. Make sure you take that out and lube it up real good. bottom force, but really you don't want to crank it down. You just want to go ahead and get it nice and snug. You'll feel when it stops, and that should be it. Has two sides. You can see here I'm going to point one tab and one without a tab. Make sure they alternate so that it closes tight. All you got to do here is tighten everything up and then slowly turn on your water. Make sure that your work is good. Thanks for watching.